Inbound materials arrive under ESD control to protect sensitive electronics from damage. Materials are either quarantined or released based on inspection results.
Approved materials are kitted and labeled for traceability before entering SMT production. SPI verifies solder volume and alignment before component placement. The reflow profile is confirmed to ensure reliable solder joints. AOI detects placement or solder defects early in the process.
Buffered WIP keeps the line balanced without overproduction.
Depaneling separates individual boards without stressing components.
ICT verifies basic electrical integrity before assembly. Only electrically sound boards move forward to final assembly. Torque-controlled fastening prevents damage while ensuring mechanical strength.
The Poca yoke fixture ensures the speaker only fits in the correct cavity. See how it locks in place.
Vision systems confirm correct assembly before the next stage. The battery is installed with controlled pressure to ensure adhesion and safety.
Secure electrical bonding ensures stable power delivery. The display is prepared carefully to avoid cosmetic defects. Controlled bonding ensures uniform display adhesion and alignment. Precision camera placement is critical for image quality.
Early camera checks catch issues before full enclosure.
The enclosure is sealed with precise adhesive application. Final curing secures the phone's structural integrity. Unique identifiers are programmed to ensure full traceability.
End-of-line tests verify core functions of each device. Mechanical inputs and haptics are checked for consistent response.
Touch sensors are calibrated and verified for accuracy.
Only fully compliant devices are released to packing.
Devices that fail testing are isolated to prevent accidental shipment.
Reworked units must fully pass testing before release. Recovered units rejoin the normal flow after verification. Final software is installed to ensure consistent functionality.
Cosmetic checks ensure the product meets appearance standards.
Protective films prevent damage during shipping.
Accessories are prepared to match each device configuration. Each device is packed with its matched accessories.
Labels link the packaged product to its unique identity.
Sealing protects contents and shows tamper evidence. Retail boxes are grouped for efficient handling and shipping.
Weight checks confirm complete and correct packing.
Shipping labels link cartons to logistics and inventory systems. Robotic palletizing ensures stable and repeatable stacking.
Stretch wrap secures loads for transport safety. Finished goods are stored under system-controlled locations. System scans confirm accurate inventory records.
Electronic waste is separated to enable compliant recycling.
Packaging materials are compacted for recycling partners. Non-recyclable waste is stored safely for licensed disposal. Orders are staged by schedule to maintain on-time delivery. Shipping documents are generated to match each outbound pallet.
Dock equipment is set to safely load finished goods.
A numbered seal protects shipment integrity in transit. Finished products depart the factory under controlled shipment release.
Production data is reviewed to maintain yield and delivery performance. Routine maintenance sustains equipment accuracy and uptime.
Returned units are logged separately to protect new production flow.
Initial inspection determines whether repair or recycling is required. Inspection is appropriate for controlled reverse logistics.
All user data is erased to meet privacy requirements.
Units are sorted for refurbishment or compliant recycling.
And here is the manifest for the 4 bins. Sign right here, please.
All right, 4 bins confirmed. Thank you.
Reusable units are prepared separately for refurbishment processing. Is analyzed to prevent recurrence.
Housekeeping restores readiness for the next cycle.
Recyclables are staged for scheduled partner collection.
The facility stands ready for the next production run.
The completed line reflects a controlled and repeatable manufacturing process.